Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree and I go by Naturally Nicole here. Today is officially my 1-year crochet anniversary. I have a super fun video for you guys today. It's actually going to be a challenge video. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Closer to my dream. So in honor of my 1-year crochet anniversary, I actually went ahead and put on this top. This is the very first top that I created as a beginner. It was just a super simple tutorial that I saw on YouTube. I actually did post a poll on my community tab. I asked you guys what you wanted to see for my anniversary. The options were Pinterest chooses what I crochet, everything I've ever crocheted, or crocheting for 24 hours. And unfortunately for me, you guys chose Pinterest chooses what I crochet. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know though that I'm gonna only be able to crochet one thing because I have my market coming up this upcoming Saturday and I don't wanna get super overwhelmed. So I've kind of done some research and I was scrolling on Pinterest. So I was thinking to myself, why not just go ahead and crochet a top, but a top that actually have some type of sleeve to it, so I can feel a little bit more comfortable wearing it. It's kind of like a 2-for-1 for me because I actually wanted to crochet something for my market to wear, but I also wanted it to be super simple, quick, and easy. But I finally landed on a puff sleeve top. So it's gonna be similar to this top that I actually have on. It's gonna have the same concept, but then it'll just be the added sleeves. I feel like that would be super simple. I can probably finish it within a day if I get up early. Or why do they keep on interrupting us? This is the second time. I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, so now that we've decided what we want to make, I am now in my closet and I'm kind of just looking, scanning through my yarn. I know that I don't want anything super colorful, so I'm thinking we do this color. I was thinking about like this cream color, but I believe I have this cream, this lighter cream color, and then this brown. I'm trying to make a cardigan out of that, so I'm kind of low-key trying to save it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to. This orange is really cute too, but I also have something in mind or plan for that. It's like, girl, you just have all this yarn sitting here, and you can always go get more, but I'm just like, dang, I have certain projects in my mind. Go ahead and use this, and then we'll go ahead and get started. So, I had to go ahead and get on YouTube. I think I found the tutorial that I'm going to use for this. I've actually used her tutorials before to create other tops. So I'm super excited to see how easy and fast this works up. My goal is to hopefully finish this in 1 day, if not 2. I know I said finish tomorrow, hopefully, but these single crochets are already taking me out. I should have did half double crochet because that's what I did with the previous top that I had on. This single crochet is twisting all over the place. It's a lot, but I'm trying to stick it out. I am. I said I was gonna get myself into maybe 12. I do have church tomorrow though, so I don't know. We're gonna see. And you guys, this is what I'm watching to try to stick it out to 12. If y'all have never seen the Jamie Foxx show, I advise you to watch because honestly, it's one of the underrated sitcoms in my opinion. Everybody talk about Martin, everybody talk about the Wayans Bros, but Jamie was one of them ones. It's officially 12 and I've gotten this much done, but you also got to think about the fact that I am a plus size girly, so it's gonna take a little bit more time for me. Several days later. All right, y'all, so a few little quick updates. One, elephant in the room, I got my hair done. I actually changed my mind on the color of the top that I wanted to do. Remember originally we picked this mushroom color, but she was in single crochets and it was taking forever, and market day is on Saturday, so I don't have no time to do that. So I ended up deciding to go with brown, and I've actually gotten a lot of this done, and these are half double crochets, which are way quicker. So I'm taking the inspiration from that puff sleeve top, but instead I want to incorporate the granny squares that I showed you guys in my last video, and this is pretty much going to be like right here, just along my waist, and then the bandeau top, and then the puff sleeves. Now there is a bit of a dilemma. I only had so much of this brown left and I knew that, but I was so confident that Michaels would have the yarn that I needed, which is by Craftsmart. But when I went to 3 different stores, I ended up finding out that Michaels and Craftsmart are no longer in contract with each other. The lady was like, you know, they couldn't keep up with their contract, so we just kind of did away with them. So now they're like more so just loops and threads, and they have like a lot of Caron yarn. After trying to find the yarn, I ended up going to Hobby Lobby to see if they had something that was kind of close to this color brown that I have. And I found this. It's in I Love This Yarn in the color brown. And honestly, it's low-key a little darker than this one, but I feel like I can still make it work. It's kind of close. Now I'm just weaving in the ends of these granny squares. And I'm going to go ahead and sew them together. Okay, so here we are with the top. I've went ahead and successfully sewn all the granny squares together. I actually made one extra one that I just took apart, but I honestly feel like I might have to end up removing another one because I mocked sewed right here, and instead of doing the whole thing and wasting that time, I ended up just putting these stitch markers. Okay, y'all, so I have successfully sewn together the granny squares, and I've also sewn it to the bandeau part of the top. So this is how it's looking so far. It's going to essentially, of course, wrap around. I did make a mistake. I didn't put the straps on the ends of it as I was going. I don't know what I was thinking, but I didn't do that.
1 week later.
Hey y'all, hey. Today I'm actually about to be headed to my sister's. We're going to go to the park. She told me to bring a journal and a book, so I think we're about to do like Bible study, maybe even goal setting, stuff like that. And I'm also going to be bringing along the top that I've been fussing and yelling about not finishing, to more than likely get this video out to you guys on Saturday. So I'm super excited. All I have to do now is the sleeves. Also I did my lashes. Y'all see them? I did the little individual lashes. Y'all see them? Do they look cute? Anyways, so I got this super chill fit on. I want to show y'all real quick. It's giving slouch. It's giving dancer. It's giving comfy. It's giving park. It's giving park, right? Y'all, I didn't even get to work on the top the other day. Me and my sister ended up just getting carried away, and we just had like a little sister's day. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the top today. So I finally got back around to finishing up this top. Honestly, after the market, I needed a well-needed break, and I also needed to give my hands a rest. So I kind of just took that time to recover, I guess. So I already have one of the sleeves kind of going. I think I might do maybe 2, or 3 more rows, and I'm going to start cinching it so it can actually give that puff sleeve look. Also, I am so proud of myself, I must say, because I pretty much freehanded this. Like, as far as this portion, I freehanded it. Ain't nobody actually make a top like this, because I looked and I searched and it was hard to find a top that looked like this. Now, I'm not saying ain't nobody did it, but I haven't seen it myself. So I've successfully completed one of the sleeves, but honestly, I think this is the reason why I wanted to give up on this project, because I don't like if I was to wear this, I don't want to finagle with this portion continuously falling down. The sole purpose of me creating this top was because I wanted something with actual sleeves that would kind of cover up a little bit of my arm and kind of give me a different type of look besides like the bralette type tops that I've made. I was thinking maybe to like sew something on the sides to pin it together like this. So we have started on the second sleeve. Y'all, it's still falling down. I don't know. I'm honestly just ready to be done with this project. That way I can move on to the next project because this one has taken so long. So we have successfully finished both sleeves. We are done. However, remember when I was telling you guys that the sleeves keep falling off? I kind of had this idea to just make a chain in the back of the top, like so, and then just connect it here, and then just like work maybe 2 rows of single crochet. Hopefully that may help it stay up. I'm just gonna honestly test this out just to see. Hold on, y'all. Bree might have just really did something. Do y'all see them falling off? Do y'all see them falling off? Now they could very well still possibly fall off as I'm moving, but your girl really just ate down. And this is off of my own head, my own idea, okay? But let me turn it around and show y'all. The little, what? Not me being a pioneer. Nah, I'm just playing. We are officially done with the top, y'all. She is all weaved in. We fixed the little dropping issue. So let's go ahead and get into the styling portion.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No.
All right, you guys, that is the end of this video. Let me know which outfit was your fave. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.